If you want to change the language in AnyDesk, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps so you can switch to the language you prefer in just a few seconds. This is helpful if AnyDesk opened in the wrong language, if you're setting it up on a new computer, or if you simply want a more comfortable interface to work with. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open AnyDesk on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the window and click the Hamburger menu. That's the icon with 3 horizontal lines, and it will open the main menu for AnyDesk. From that menu, click Settings. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the gear icon. Inside the Settings panel, make sure you're on the General tab. This is where AnyDesk keeps the basic app preferences, including the language option. Now scroll or look through the general settings until you find the language drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down and you'll see the list of available languages. Select your preferred language from the list. After choosing it, AnyDesk will usually ask you to restart the app so the change can take effect. Click Restart AnyDesk and wait for the program to close and reopen. Once it starts back up, the new language should now be applied across the interface. If you don't see the language change immediately, just check that the app fully restarted and that the correct language was selected before confirming, and that's all there is to it. You've now changed the language in AnyDesk in a simple and straightforward way. If this tutorial was useful, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.